And hey everyone, and welcome back to another great video from Wondershare Dr.Fone. So today we're going to bring you some extensive solutions that you can try to restore the deleted photos across your Android. And if you're just another victim of accidentally deleting photos from your Android device, this video is surely the right thing to try out right now. Before we go ahead and proceed with the rest of this video, do subscribe to our channel in order to get all the official updates that we're going to be posting very soon. Now with that said, let's get right into it. Now as for part 1, how to restore Android deleted photos. So first things first, how you can try and use is going to be Microsoft OneDrive. So for starters, there's going to be a very clear chance that you might have stored those photos as a backup across cloud storage. So Microsoft OneDrive is actually a commonly used backup service. Cloud backup services can be accessed from the internet, and the content stored across them does not get deleted by itself. So if you have stored your deleted Android photos across this backup at some point, try the steps shown next to restore your photos back to your Android device. So for step 1, turn on your computer and finally access OneDrive web application, and then log in with your credentials used across your Android device. After logging in, you're just going to find the Photos tab on the left pane, and then go across the albums in order to find appropriate photos. And if the photos were saved across the DCIM folder on your Android device, you can go ahead and find them across the Pictures directory across OneDrive. And to restore any photos from OneDrive, just go ahead and right-click on the photo and then select Download from the drop-down menu, or choose the download option from the toolbar. After downloading it across your computer, and get it transferred to your Android device from there. Now, the next tool that you can use is a third-party application. For third-party applications, you have many options available to you. However, we always bring the perfect option for you when it comes to these videos, and that's going to be through Dr.Fone Data Recovery for Android. It will display itself as the perfect option in order to restore your deleted Android data under such circumstances. With an intuitive interface combined with simple steps, this tool provides the highest ratio of success in terms of data recovery. Accompanied with huge device compatibility, it recovers data under an extensive list of scenarios. So if you wish to know how you can use this impressive tool, then just look ahead onto this video to learn exactly what to do from there. So step number 1 is going to be to launch Dr.Fone after downloading it on your desktop, and then click on the data recovery option, and finally connect your Android device with the USB cable. You should ensure that the USB debugging on your Android device is turned on, and you should be seeing the steps for it just in case. If you aren't aware of how to turn on USB Android debugging on your Android device, go ahead and open its settings and then find the About Phone section, and then you're going to find the build number option in the next window, and then just go ahead and tap it 7 times in order to become a developer, and then lead back into your phone settings and then find the system option. Here, you're going to access the developer options on your Android. On this respective screen, you're going to find the toggle of USB debugging. Turn that on and then confirm the settings in order to turn on USB debugging on your phone. And that's how it gets done from there. So now, after turning on USB debugging on your phone, go back to Dr.Fone on your computer. And the next window is going to display all file types that can be recovered through the tool, and then select the respective types that you want to recover. That's going to be photos in this case, and then finally click on Next. And then the process just takes a little while to conclude, as all files are recovered successfully. They're going to be displayed as previews on the next window, and then select the photos that you wish to recover, and then click on Recover in order to restore them promptly. So next up, we're going to use Google Photos. Cloud connectivity and extra storage facilities have been made available for all Android users. There are many options that you may have in order for storing extra data on your device. However, some of them do offer the best services in the market. So Google Photos is actually one such great option that can be used in order to specifically store the media of your Android device, and it provides 15 gigabytes of storage for free for backing up photos and videos across itself. So not only does it store the data from your Android, but it also is a very powerful tool for viewing the stored content properly. And with multiple features available across its interface, you can also consider using it for restoring photos on your Android device. And for this, we actually have mentioned quite a few steps in order to make that possible. So step number 1 is going to be to first go ahead and open up Google Photos on your Android device, and then navigate to the date when the photos were captured on your device, and then scroll down and locate the image. And then open up the respective image, find the 3 dotted icon on the top right section of the screen, and then go ahead and select the option of download in order to save and restore the selected image on your Android device. Next up is going to be with an internal SD card. So if you have been using an SD card on your Android device, it is possible that the photos have just been saved across the SD card on this device. Now this actually becomes quite simple to restore them from your SD card, which can be done just as follows. So step 1 is going to be to turn on your Android device and then lead into the file manager, and then find the SD card section across your file manager and then access its images folder. And locate the images on your SD card and then finally move them to your Android's internal storage if required. And what if the images from your SD card have been deleted? We actually have a solution for you that's exactly for this. You can consider using Dr.Fone data recovery for Android for this purpose, as Dr.Fone data recovery provides you with the perfect source to retrieve all kinds of data from your Android device, and it can also help you restore your data from the SD card. To figure out how these steps work for restoring deleted data from your SD card, go ahead and follow these steps coming right up. So firstly, launch Dr.Fone and then select data recovery, and then connect your SD card directly to the computer if you have an available slot, or just use your Android device in order to get it connected to your computer. And once done, go ahead and click on Next. Then you just need to select the Windows drive that appears on the screen after the SD card has been successfully read. And then click on Next in order to select the mode for Android SD card recovery. It is completely up to you. You can scan the deleted files or all files across the standard mode over here, and then go ahead and select Next once you have chosen that. As the scan concludes, the files are going to be displayed for you in the next window, and then select the respective photos that you wish to restore, and then click on Recover to Computer or Recover to Device from there. So part 2 is going to be how to prevent losing photos and important data on your device. So up until this point of the video, we have actually gained quite a bit of knowledge about what to do if you have accidentally deleted your photos or important data across your Android. But why get to this stage in the first place? We will now look at how we can actually prevent this from happening with the best techniques available in the market. So one of those is going to be by using cloud storage. The first remedy that we can think of is to use a cloud storage facility for storing all of your photos and important data on your Android device. There are going to be many cloud storage mediums such as OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox available across the internet and in the form of mobile applications too. So why not try using these, because these are going to be super useful. Next is going to be by using a backup tool. So you can always go for a backup tool if you want to make your content safer and more secure. So Dr.Fone Phone Backup for Android is here to help you in backing up your data to your computer with a simple step-by-step process that you can easily back up your Android data with this tool. Go through the steps that we're going to provide you with right now in order to make that possible. So first things first, open up Dr.Fone on your computer and then select Phone Backup from the functions, and then connect your Android device with the USB cable and enable USB debugging across it when asked. We've explained how that works already in this video. On the next screen, go ahead and select Backup out of the available options, and then on the following screen you need to go ahead and select the files that you wish to back up on your computer. After selecting them, go ahead and click on Backup in order to start the process. And then the process only really takes a little bit to complete as the files are backed up, and you can view the backed up history or open up those files across the saved location on your computer as required as well. So yes, I do know that this has been a lot of information for this video, but hopefully this has all been useful to you. So do you have the required knowledge in order to save yourself from the mess of deleting any kind of Android photos or any kind of data from your Android device? We hope that you have solved your issue by now, and if you liked our video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and leave out a comment down in the comment section. And for more videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel while hitting that notification bell. So until next time, have a good one and enjoy.